guys! Kamusta po kayong lahat? Herewith is our second episode of our Kapitbahay series for Homebodies. I am here in our Makati studio under one roof, and I want to tell you about my Dia state-of-the-art air conditioners that you will surely keep your home cool and comfortable all year long. My Dia offers not only residential air conditioners like yung window type, yung portable aircon, pati yung split type, okay? Guys, alam niyo ba, My Dia is also actually providing commercial air conditioners, okay, that we guarantee world-class quality. And for your information, My Dia has been awarded by Euromonitor International Limited in 2018 as world's #1 air treatment company. And when it comes to after-sales service, meron ang My Dia ng mga authorized service center partners nationwide. Again, guys, our authorized service partners are actually available nationwide. Speaking of service, with me today is one of My Dia's technical expert who will surely tell us or teach us on how an air conditioner really works. So, guys, meet Mr. Gani Soria. He is one of My Dia Philippines HVAC expert, and he has been in this industry for 30 years already. Sir Gani, how are you? And thank you so much for being my co-host this afternoon.
Hello, Riva. I'm doing well despite of the ECQ here in Manila. My Dia market team has been very active in the field.
Correct, sir.
Even there's pandemic. Because they would like to service customers.
Correct, sir.
Of course, improve safety from negative result of COVID test result and the PPE.
Oh guys, si Sir Gani na nagsasabi, they're actually making it sure that they are actually doing the customers' welfare and safety as well of our team. So Sir Gani nagsabi, nag-PPE sila and they have their negative COVID test results naman. So, Sir Gani, have you heard of Homebodies?
Parang narinig ko na yan, but that is the Facebook group that started the craze of Team Puti,
Yes.
Team Kahoy, and Budol. Is it?
Yes, Sir Gani. Correct. Parang narinig na sabi ni Sir Gani, pero totoo po yan. You got it right, Sir Gani. To the 1.6 million homebodies there, we would like to share you the great news, what My Dia can offer to you and to our Filipino consumers. Because guys, My Dia has been in the Philippines since November 2013 in partnership with Concepcion Industrial Corporation, that they are the go-to experts when it comes to this industry.
That is correct, Riva. My Dia has malasakit for every Filipino household. And I would like to show you a video that will make your heart melt.
I'm home.
I'm home. I'm home.
I'm home.
I'm home.
Oh, that is so sweet. Ganyan talaga ang mga Filipinos. They really value family time. Sir Gani, just to share with you, this sweet lady who will be actually with us this day, she values spending time with her family. Kahit na naka-own living na siya, sir, or naka-own condo na siya, but she make it sure that she spends time with her dad, mom, and her siblings. So, she is the founder and the mayora of the Homebodies, Miss Frances Cabantuando. Hi, Frances! Kamusta ka?
Hi,
Hello,
Francis.
hi Miss Riva. Hi Sir Gani. Hello sa mga kapitbahay natin. It's so nice to be back here. Sorry, di ako makapunta dyan ngayon kasi nga,
Walang
the
problema.
situation that we're in. But I'm super excited. Sana makadalo ako next time so I can personally, try all the products that's out there. Pero for now, virtual muna. But what I'm excited about is what you guys introduced. And it's the Aircon 101 that, very patok talaga to our kapitbahays today. And it's something that I personally want to learn about because there are so many things that, to consider when buying an aircon. So, simulan na natin.
Yep. So before that, Frances, before we start, we would like you to invite everyone with your Facebook, with your Instagram. Pero pwedeng invite mo sila sa yung Budol team.
So if you're not yet part of the Homebodies Facebook group, please join us. Just search on Facebook Homebodies, or you can go to facebook.com/groups/homebodiesph. And welcome kayo doon. Kayo, Sir Gani, join na rin kayo sa amin.
Okay. I will.
All right, so we'll add up for that. We'll with the Facebook page of MyDia, that's MyDia Philippines. Please like, follow, and share us. Also in Instagram, it's at MyDiaPH. We have our YouTube channel, that's MyDia Philippines Official. And we have our official website, which is www.mydiaph.com. And we are in Lazada also, that is MyDia Flagship Store. Follow us for more hacks, promos, discounts, and for upcoming products na for sure you will need in your home. Also, Mayora, magpapagame tayo.
Uy, gusto ko yan. Anong game to?
We'll be giving away 5 pieces of the 32 gig USB stick. Okay? Kitang-kita nyo ba? Lalapit ako mamaya dyan. Okay?
Ang ganda, may pa-box.
Yes, ito ba? Sa social, diba? Ang social naman niya. So, this is actually going to be given to 5 kapitbahays, okay, who will like, follow, and share our Facebook page, our IG, and YouTube. Very easy. Facebook page, IG, and YouTube. Follow us, like, and then share. Once done, you need to do a screenshot lang na nilike nyo yung aming YouTube page, YouTube official page. Nabubulol na ako, na-excite ako for them eh. And then they have to send a screenshot lang, sir, sa comment down below. Again, what will you do is you have to like, follow, and share our Facebook page, our IG, and then yung YouTube natin, okay? Once na-like nyo na yon, once done, you need to do a screenshot and send nyo lang sa aming comment section para makapili kami kung sino mananalo ng aming USB stick. Akala mo akala mo social na something na gift, diba? Wait, lalapit ako para makita nyo it's really a...
Ayan, sige, hindi ko, ayan. Ang ganda ng design, bongga.
Yes, tapos may tassel pa siya para hindi mo mawawala. Diba? Social.
So thoughtful.
Mga kapitbahay, alam ko, sir, in the Homebodies page, just to share with you, they're very game, they're very sports, and natatalo na rin ako dyan eh. Alam mo yan, Frances. So guys, tara, umpisahan na natin ang Kapitbahay series, Aircon 1-on-1, with Frances and Sir Gani. Sir, Frances, ito yung madalas kong nakikita, nababasa. Ano ba ang aircon na bibilhin ko? Gaano kalaki ang capacity na ilalagay ko sa room ko or sa area? Di ba, Frances, nakikita mo rin yan?
Yeah, isa yan talaga sa sobrang pinaka-demanded question in the group. Like, lahat ng tao ngayon, especially sobrang init na rin talaga, curious sila how big they need, yung capacity, and at the same time, ano ba yung kinds of aircon na meron in the market? Ano po ba yung split type? Ano ba yung window type? Ano ba yung features na meron sa isa na wala sa isa? Or kung ano ba yung kailangan ko? Kasi sometimes, di ba, parang hindi naman yung pwede sa isang tao is applicable for everyone else. So, sana today, Sir Gani, maturuan nyo kami, ano bang aircon yung dapat nabili namin for our lifestyle, for, what our needs at home?
Alright, ladies at mga kapitbahay, here is the list that you need to consider if you're a first-time buyer for air conditioning.
Unahin natin ang capacity and area. Sir Gani, paano ba umpisahan pag capacity and area ang pag-uusapan natin?
Alright, the capacity of the air conditioner should be as per the size of the room.
Okay, size of the room.
That's right. But consider if there is an opening, a hallway, or the room is it's got an opening to the kitchen.
Okay.
Then you have to measure the size of the room plus the opening. Okay, so that at the end, the air conditioner will not gonna be undersized.
Okay, so it must, sir, correct me if I'm wrong, it's okay to be oversized rather than undersized.
That's right.
Okay.
It's if it's a little bit bigger, it's okay.
Okay.
But if it's undersized, it's gonna be hard. Okay, because the compressor will run and never satisfies the room.
Oh, ayan ha, Mayora. It's better to be bigger, better than being undersized.
And besides, nowadays we got new technology,
Correct,
which
sir.
is the inverter air conditioner. So what happens if you buy a bigger air conditioner, which is bigger to the size of the room?
Yes.
So what will happen is the capacity will actually change.
Oh.
So you're not worrying about how the expenses or how much is gonna cost to run, because once the room gets colder,
Opo.
okay, the capacity will drop to the minimum of 50% of the capacity.
Uy.
So it
Imagine mo.
saves you energy and money as well.
Uy. So guys,
Sir Gani, question lang. Paano kung when it comes to size and capacity, kunyari 1 horsepower, ano ba, saang square meters ba usually siya applicable?
Okay.
Meron bang limit yan?
Yeah. Okay. Actually, I cannot give you an exact size for 1 horsepower. I would suggest probably go to our website, consult, or if you go to the store, okay, if you go to the store, talk to the salesperson, give them your details, because they will probably ask you what is the size of the room, or do you have windows facing west, things like that. Because if you have windows facing west, then they will add something to the size. Okay, because the biggest heat load is in the west. If you got windows facing west,
okay.
because the sun sets in the west. Okay, and also they will ask you a question if the ceiling is insulated or not.
Oh, okay. It will help you.
That's right. If it's better, before you buy an air conditioning, okay, or air conditioner, make sure you insulate the ceiling, because not only it's good for the air conditioner, it also preserves the coolness of the air conditioner inside or to the entire house.
Oh yeah, that's interesting. It's my first time to hear an expert telling us, giving us an advice of putting an insulation, because it will lessen the heat in the room.
That's right. And also preserve the
coldness.
The
So,
coldness, yeah.
Mayora, alam na natin yan, hindi lahat tayo familiar with the insulation. Kasi ang iba kasi tingin nila dagdag pa, 'di ba? Yung pala, it will be a big help for everyone in making it sure the room makes it more colder or lesser the hotness of the room.
That's right.
Tsaka ano pala, no? Totoo pala yan, yung sa window, kung marami kang windows, nagpala yun, no?
Kaya pala swerte ako kasi yung sa akin, north facing yung window ko. Kaya hindi masyadong mainit. Kaya helpful pala yun, no? I mean, Sir Gani, hindi mo lang kami natutulungan sa aircon, pati sa pagpili ng condo.
Yung personal condominium. Tama, sir. So, cool, di ba? So, guys, it's not only you choosing the capacity. Sabi nga ni Sir Gani, a little bigger when it comes to the capacity is better than going undersized. Check if there's an insulation. Okay. A good thing that Sir Gani mentioned is you guys talk to a product consultant. With mydiaph.com, there are actually chat team who can help you. Kasi mas maganda nga yun na mas personalized. Baka mamaya may walk-in closet ka pala, may malapit sa kitchen. So at least it's much better to consult someone else. And I think that's a good thing. Ikaw, Frances.
Oo, feeling ko helpful nga yun na, kasi, I mean, even in the group, sa Facebook group and Homebodies, di ba, parang meron kasi talagang experience ng isang tao na, kunyari, same sila na 30 square meters, for example.
Correct.
Pero pwedeng, I mean, nice insight na hindi pala necessarily na same yung aircon na para sa aming dalawa, kahit na same size, kasi pwedeng, yun nga, baka magkaiba ng ceiling height, the insulation, the appliances
And the
being used,
the
and
rest.
positioning. Yeah. So, super helpful na to know that, my idea has people that I can consult even online kasi I can't go to the store physically. So,
Yeah.
nice yun na I can
go
chat.
online, di ba?
Oh.
Sir, may different types of air conditioners. We have the window type, we have the portable type, we have split type. Kitang-kita nyo naman dito sa likod namin kung ano yung iba't ibang air conditioner units na pwede bigay sa inyo ng idea. But Sir Gani, give us an idea of what is the difference of the window aircon with portable and the split type.
Okay. First of all, these are called standalone air conditioners. Okay. They are actually easy to move around, the portables. The window types air conditioners, they are very easy to install. Okay, and probably you only need an electrician or probably a carpenter to put a hole in the wall.
Correct, sir.
To install this, but don't need an expert. Don't need a professional installer or something like that to install this. Okay, and also cheaper in the market. Okay, to buy. And while this one,
Split type.
split type air conditioners, there are so many types of split type air conditioners. These are called wall type air conditioner.
Wall type. Okay.
Okay, and
Dami rin pala, no?
That's right. And there are also cassette type, which is if you don't have space on the wall, then you're not stuck to get the wall type. You can actually, if you got space in the ceiling, then you can use or buy a same size with a cassette type air conditioner. That can be installed in the ceiling.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Aside from that, there's also a floor type. It sits
Okay.
on the floor, and convertible. You can actually it can actually sit on the floor, or you can actually hang it on the ceiling.
Uy,
which
marami
is-
yun, no?
That's right. We call it under ceiling.
Under seating.
That's right.
Okay.
And also, if you got a bigger house, then
Kung Mayora na yan.
yeah, Mayora. I think this is for you.
Hindi, maliit lang yung bahay ko.
You might need a floor standing. Probably you saw this you've seen this floor standings type in probably if you go to Jollibee or something like that, in
commercials.
McDonald's commercial air conditioners. But they're also good for the house because it will condition. Okay, it will condition the whole house.
Mayora, ayan na. Nagpasabi na si Sir Gani kung ano ilalagay mo sa house mo.
Yeah, and
Sige, i-manifest natin yan. Sana magkatotoo.
yeah, and also these split type air conditioners are named as such because they split the components into two, what you call this split type air conditioners are named as such because they split the traditional components or traditional air conditioning into two individual
Which
units,
is the indoor.
which is
sir?
the indoor and the outdoor.
Okay.
Okay, but the indoor units are the one distributing the air
Okay.
in the room, so
Correct.
it's quiet. It's quieter to run or to use even if you put it on high speed. Okay.
Oh.
Whereas they put all the noisier part,
Mhm.
okay, on the outside unit.
That's why it's called outside and split kasi dalawa yung
That's
unit
right.
natin.
That's
Oh, interesting. Alright, so guys, Sir Gani gave us a lot of things that we can consider for the air conditioners. But my Dia will introduce to you an window type air conditioner that you will be liking. Teaser lang muna ha. You will have the beauty of both worlds. Teaser pa lang yan. You will have the beauty of both worlds, meaning, mamaya, check us out. Huwag kayong aalis because we will be discussing first ang mga Aircon 101s natin at mamaya surprise namin kayo ni Mayor at ni Sir Gani on what My Dia can offer you when it comes to having the beauty of both worlds. Sir Gani, pandemic came in last year, 2020. Mainit, syempre. Tapos hindi tayo knowledgeable when it comes to cleaning. Itong si Frances lives alone in her condo. So, there are times that you'll be afraid of having someone to come kasi hindi natin alam kung may virus or whatsoever, di ba?
Totoo yan.
Diba?
Naging problem ko yan last year. Kasi 'di ba, hindi ko alam kung totoo na sabi pag aircon daw dapat every year pinapalinis or dapat may maintenance talaga siya every so often. So syempre, kahit naman na nagka-pandemic, hindi naman pwede na dahil lang may pandemic, di mo napapalinis. So, Sir Gani, gusto ko talagang matutunan ano ba yung mga cleaning DIYs, meron bang pwede bang ma-DIY yan na temporarily, or ano ba yung basic maintenance na for aircon na dapat nating matutunan, nating mga kakapit-bahay.
Agree.
Yeah.
Sir Gani.
Tama, Francis. Actually, lahat ng appliances, or especially the air conditioners, kailangan matutunan mo paano linisin.
Correct.
Okay, how to do it yourself. Okay, otherwise, it will gonna cost you. Na even though na hindi pa kailangan linisin, if they said that your air conditioner need to be cleaned every year, kailangan pupunta sila sa'yo para linisin that
Totoo,
every year.
sir. Oo.
But if you're doing the cleaning by yourself, you don't need to you don't need them to clean that every year. First, if you know how to clean the filters at least every month or every 2 weeks, okay? Or inspect, check the air filter, okay? If it's already coated with dust, then pull it out. Learn how to pull it out, okay? You can use vacuum, or you can clean that by using your vacuum cleaner or by using a water.
Running water lang, sir.
Running water, yes.
Oh.
And just be wary when you're using your vacuum cleaner. Okay, don't use the brush.
Okay.
Because if you use the brush for cleaning the air filters, the brush might enlarge the holes of the filters, and they will not gonna be served as a filter if the holes gets bigger, isn't it?
Correct.
All right, but the best way to clean it is by using of course, water, because it gets rid of all
dust.
the smell
Correct,
as well.
sir.
The smell, and also when you finish washing it with water, okay, you can actually just shake it up a little bit, bang it on the wall, and then insert it back.
Oh,
Okay, you don't need to
easy.
dry. You don't need to dry it under the sun for many hours. Otherwise, when you come back, the filter will shrink.
So,
Okay.
Francis,
Oh my God! Revelation yan for me, Sir Gani. Kasi yung sa akin, parang gagawin ko, lilinisin ko yung filter. Tapos, syempre, basa. So, sabi ko, papatuyuin muna. So, titiisin ko na ang init. Hindi ko magamit. Yun
No.
pala yun. Pwede palang diretso na.
Yeah, just shake it up a little bit. And,
pagbag system yata yun, Francis. Pagpag. Oo, di ba?
Something pagpag, that's it, and then insert it back, and then that's it, ready to use.
So,
You can-
guys,
Very nice
easy
din
to
nung
do.
Yeah, very nice nung tinuro ni Sir na yung sa vacuum. Kasi ngayon, usong-uso din sa homebodies yung mga portable vacuum.
Yeah.
Na ang daming nagpo-post na nililinis nga nila yung filter nila using the vacuum. Pero mga kapitbahay, like sinabi ni Sir Gani, let's be careful kasi yun nga, once masira mo yung filter, madiinan mo nung brush, pwedeng lumaki yung hole. Sayang, wala na, it doesn't serve its purpose. So, nice tip yun, Sir Gani. Thank you.
And guys, always disconnect your unit muna sa source power pag magpo-pull out
Yes,
kayo.
forgot to tell you that.
Don't forget that, guys. Once that you will pull out the filter, disconnect nyo muna yung power source sa saksakan and then remove the front panel and the filter.
That's
So, either vacuum, pag system and water, that will do.
That's right.
All right.
Learn how to open up the how to open up the front panel,
Yeah.
and at the back of that front panel, that's where the filter
filter
sits.
is.
Okay, that's where the filter sits. Okay, and also it's not actually true that especially especially the
Split
split
type.
type air conditioners, they need to be checked every year and things like that. Make sure to just clean the air filters. That's it. Just clean the air filters regularly. If the people who install it says that you need to get the pressure check every year, no, that's not true. As much as possible, they shouldn't check the pressure. Okay, if the problem is not the pressure, don't check the pressure. They only need to check the pressure if the unit is not cooling at all.
Ayun.
Okay, otherwise, if they keep checking the pressure, you keep losing the gas.
Ah,
Okay?
wow.
So keep that in mind. Okay, don't let anybody touch your air conditioner. If it's cooling very well, tell them do not touch it. Okay, because the gas is there circulating around the air conditioner.
All
Okay?
right, that's good, Sir Gani. And guys, please, this is actually a tip that I got from our aftermarket team. Please do not go to unauthorized service centers.
That's right.
Please go to your authorized service centers. Especially for My Dia Philippines, you can reach out to Facebook. You can go to our call center partners, message us, call us, and they will give you the authorized service centers which are available nationwide. Kasi po, what if, let's say, hindi natin maiwasan, si Mayora may kilala, binigay ka ganito, yun pala hindi siya authorized service center, it might cause problem, tapos ma-void yung warranty if it's under
That's
warranty
true.
pa.
That's true.
So make it sure, authorized service center partners lang po tayo through the Facebook page of My Dia Philippines, and also calling our contact center. So masabuti yon kasi nga,
That's
it's all actually retail and partners natin na expert talaga siya.
And besides, in addition to what Reva said, we train our accredited installers
Okay.
and service centers. So they will help you on everything with regards to air conditioning.
Wow, that's cool. At least tayo na everyone is trained and they're authorized service centers. Sir Gani, you've been in the industry of air conditioner for 30 years.
Yeah.
But what is the beauty of having My Dia air conditioner at home?
I think. Oh, sorry, I shouldn't think.
I shouldn't think.
I should have said that my Dia's air conditioner is capable of cooling down the entire house.
Oh,
And I would say that it will last for many years. That's the only thing I can say. It
Oh,
will
yeah.
last for many years, and it's capable of cooling down.
yeah, that's true because I'm also using a My Dia air conditioner and I make it sure, like ko sinasabi kay Mayora to ba, Francis, if you actually have any questions, concerns, please reach out to our authorized service center partners sa call center natin kasi they are trained and they're expert to this. So, for all of your air conditioning needs, please visit our accredited dealers only. Kasi for sure, kami po ay, we're making sure that we're training them.
Yes.
And
They are
actually,
well
si Sir
trained.
Gani, isa sa mga training experts natin.
Actually, ngayon pa lang parang ang dami ko nang natutunan. Paano pa yung mga talagang tinitrain ni Sir Gani. So, sobrang thank you, sir, for taking the time to educate us on gaano ba kalaki yung aircon, ano bang klaseng type, lalo na yung mga DIY cleaning tips. Kasi yun yung parang sobrang bago to me and sobrang thank you for sharing that. Ito na yung best guide so far na narinig ko, kaya salamat.
I'm so happy for that, sir. Coming from Mayora na marami siya
Thank you.
natutunan. Isa ka pa lang, what if our buong kapitbahay is listening to this and considering convenience, comfort, and peace of mind when they have their own aircons at home, especially for My Dia.
nasabi din ni Sir Gani na it's tumatagal yung mga products.
Correct.
And for me, investment kasi an aircon even if, di ba, I mean, you shell out money for it talaga na
Agree.
syempre in-expect mo na babalik sa'yo, may ROI, kumbaga, yung ginastos mo sa aircon mo when it comes to comfort for the home. Kaya, it's nice to know that you have your good after sales and
Yeah.
kung sakaling magkaroon ng problema, di ba, hindi yung bigla goodbye na. Parang it's nice to know that
Oh.
pag may problema, if it so happens, di ba, may sasagot at sasalo sa'yo.
Totoo naman. Di ba, Sir Gani?
Yes. And also, budget-wise na rin ito dahil we're picking the right unit for the right space. It will save you from high energy consumption and long-term use of the unit.
Yeah, good investment, tapos may long-time use pa. So I think that's a good check for everyone. So, Frances, I mentioned to you about the newest aircon unit ng Midea. Okay?
Oo nga, kanina, ano ba to? Ano ba tong, yung surprise mo? I-share mo na, go.
Yes, Mayora, you heard it right. Riva will help us to know more about this Midea U-shaped window type air conditioning. Okay, air conditioner is actually new to the market.
Thank you, Sir Gani, for that. How would you feel, guys, if I'm going to tell you that Midea reinvented window air conditioner? How would you feel that you'll be the first audience that you will be seeing the first inverter air conditioner? Okay. Guys, we will be introducing to you Midea U.
Wow! Is that real? Ano ba to? Ano ba tong bagong to? Riva,
Yes.
please.
Papatagal ba ako? Hindi nga. So,
Oh.
Sir Gani and Mayora presenting to you Midea U. Okay? So, guys, this is Midea U. A window type air conditioner, but silent operation like a split type. Again, it's a window type, but it has a silent operation of a split type. Why? It's quieter than a conventional window air conditioner. It's around 42 up to 42 decibel, okay? That 42 decibel, okay, which is actually like a library, sir. A quiet library. So imagine nyo na lang yung guys na 42 decibel na very, very silent na o hindi masakit sa tenga natin. It's a inverter type, okay? Alam naman sinabi ni Sir Gani, it's an inverter type na nakakatipid because, sir, it doesn't run, if it's a 2 horsepower, it will not run the whole time 2 horsepower.
That's right. The difference between inverter air conditioner and fixed speed air conditioner is actually the fixed speed. If it's a 2.5 horsepower, every time you turn on the air conditioner, it actually consumes 2.5 horsepower.
Oh,
2.5 horsepower, I should say.
okay.
Okay. Whereas the inverter air conditioner, actually, if you run the air conditioner, if you turn on the air conditioner, actually, if the room gets colder, the
Correct.
2.5 horsepower will go down, or the capacity will drop up to 50%. So, yeah, it saves you a lot of energy and power consumption.
Grabe, ang galing ng Midea, no? Nagre-reinvent siya ng aircon technology. Mayora, do you know
Actually,
that?
sobrang natutuwa ako dun sa part na yung quieter pa lang siya. Yun pa lang, parang to me, panalo na yan. Kasi yun talaga yung, concern natin sa mga aircon eh. If it distracts you, parang paano ka magiging comfortable? I mean, it's not just about yung coldness of the room, but also yung sounds. And it's part of comfort.
Kasi
Kaya,
sa matulog.
oo, di ba? Tsaka yung mga meetings yun, hindi ma-iistorbo, yung mga Zoom. Siyempre yung little noises, di ba? They all add up. Kaya it's so, to me, I mean, that's the interesting part, yung quiet siya. And at the same time, na-inverter na rin siya. I mean, tsaka yung itsura, I mean, ako very aesthetic. Very choosy ako with the things that I put in
will
my...
add to that, Mayora. Do you know that it has a smart control? Sir, smart control. It has a mobile phone app and a voice control via Google. Again, it has a smart control. Lalapit ako, sir, papakita ko.
Makita.
Smart control. Kita niyo ba, guys?
Oo nga. I mean, may sariling
Parang
app.
vlogger lang. Makikita niyo ba? Oh. Okay. It has a smart control where we're going to use the app. Alright. And it will show you the Midea Air app. It will actually... Wait lang, open natin. It will make you see this.
Ang galing na may sarili siya.
Yep. Yan. Yan. Medyo clear. There. Okay. So, yung mobile phone app will control temperature, on and off. Siyempre, nakakabit-kabit sa Wi-Fi mo yan. If I'm, let's say, outside, let's say, may meeting ako, kausap ko si Sir Gani, dito ako, nasa bahay, on ko lang.
Okay.
Good na.
Yep.
So, yan ba? Pwede mo rin i-schedule yung on and off niya?
Yep.
Pwede rin. So,
Right?
feeling,
Scheduler.
yun yung re-research ko eh. Kasi parang helpful din siya. Kasi kunyari, pag gigising ka na sa umaga and buong gabi siyang gumagana, parang feeling ko makakatipid ka rin. I mean, correct me if I'm wrong, na kunyari, papatay na siya at a certain time. So, kahit na hindi, kunyari, malamig na yung room, hindi mo na kailangan. Pwedeng, yun na, magka-cut off na yung power consumption. And in a sense, makatipid ka rin nga talaga sa kuryente. Yun yung nakikita kong benefit ng smart control.
Di, tsaka pag mainit, di ba? Pag gusto mo presko pag uwi, on mo lang, sir.
Eh, pwede rin yun. Ang galing.
Ay, pagdating mo, di ba?
Yeah. Or bago ka umuwi. Bago ka umuwi,
correct.
you turn on para pagdating mo sa bahay, malamig na yung room.
Correct. Di ba? Ang sarap
That's
ng
right.
feeling.
Very
Alam mo,
doon niya.
feeling doon niya ba? Francis, do you know that Midea U is stronger and quicker when it comes to cooling? Sir, correct me if I'm wrong, because it's a top discharge air cooler, it disperses air widely compared to a side discharge. Tama ba ako, sir?
Yes, and because the cool air actually goes down, so
Correct.
it's better. I think it's better if it's a top discharge. Okay, because it it blows up and then the cold air goes down.
Comparing to a side discharge.
Yes, that's right.
Okay. So that's something,
Akala ko
Kaya
like,
pala.
maganda lang siya aesthetically. I mean, iniisip ko like yung itsura lang eh. Pero meron palang function yung design. Bakit siya, I mean, yung nasa top, yung parang opening niya. Galing! I mean, ako napapudol mo na ako, Riba.
Punta na ba kita? Kasabihan kita pag like,
Ako, interview.
it will start reinventing the air conditioner here in the Philippines. So, si Mayora at ang mga kapitbahay, ang unang audience natin, sir, na pwedeng bumili because it's available in our website. That's www.mydiaph.com on an introductory price. Yan, ha? Yung smile ni Mayora, kitang-kita ko.
Oo, bigla ko na ba, magkanong savings?
Magkano savings ba? Sir, amazing how Midea can do when it comes to the aircon technology. Alam natin yan, sir. Pero ikaw na expert, how would you say that to our kapitbahay and to Mayora?
Well, amazing how what do you mean? It's amazing how they reinvented the window type air conditioner.
Correct, sir.
Okay, and from its energy consumption,
Correct.
because I think it's inverter as well.
Correct, sir. Yes.
Okay, so it's amazing, and not only from its energy consumption, it's also to its aesthetic and its technology. It's very
Grabe,
nice.
no?
Okay. Very nice.
So, Frances, now I can see your smile. I can actually see this. You're actually going to love this, as mentioned earlier, because our kapitbahay and you will be given an introductory prize to My Dia You. We are giving away, ito na, we're giving away good discounts for you guys, okay? We're going to give good discounts to you, okay? So, abangan nyo, puntahan nyo kami sa website, that's www.mydiaph.com. Nako, Mayora, bubulungan na lang kita kung ano yung mga pwede nyo bilhin. You can actually check either sa mydiaph.com or sa Lazada namin. Please go to our flagship store. MyDia flagship store po kayo pupunta, ha? Kasi we're the legit or the authorized seller of the MyDia You. That's why, kaya sabi ko kanina, follow, share, and like our Facebook page. That's MyDia Philippines. Ang aming Instagram at MyDiaPH. Guys, puntahan nyo rin si Nobi PH, Nobi Home, Nobi.home sa Instagram. Lagi kong pinapanood yan pag may budol si Mayora kasi pati ako nabubudol minsan. At ngayon, ibubudol ko na siya.
Oo nga eh. Parang bumabawi ka ata sa akin. Ba't ako yung binudol mo? May aircon na ako eh.
Mabubudol ko si Mayora because of the introductory prize that we'll be giving away. And please do not forget to go to our YouTube channel. That's MyDia Philippines Official. Mention guys, syempre ang social na USB stick natin. Mayor, papadala na lang kita ha, kasama nung yung pagbili mo na ng aircon ng MyDia You. So guys, you need to like Facebook page, Instagram, and our YouTube. That's MyDia Philippines Official, MyDia Flagship Store. Follow us for hacks, promos, discounts, and for upcoming products. Frances, just to give you an idea, we're not just going to introduce MyDia You this year. Marami pa kaming other products that you will like, from kitchen to refrigerators to laundry, because MyDia will have more items this year. So, isang budol pa lang yan.
Budol pala. Ayaw ko na.
Budol pa lang, sir.
Yes.
Aircon pa. Ayan, si Sir Gary nagsabi, aircon pa lang yan. So,
Aircon pa
imagine nyo na lang, yung ano po yung mga ibang products ng MyDia na we can offer you. As mentioned, guys, we just actually had the MyDia You, and then sooner or later, lalabas na dyan iba't ibang kitchen appliances natin. Imagine nyo na lang, you will be having a MyDia You at home, quieter than the conventional window type in the market, up to 40 to 48 decibels. Meron siyang smart control na mobile phone app na pakikita ko kanina, and yung voice control na ang cool niya kasi nakapag-try na ako eh. Sabi ko baka mamaya hindi ako maintindihan nito, pero hindi. Ang cool niyang tignan. At ang cool niyang gamitin kasi nasa labas ako ng bahay, Sir Gani. Tingnan ko, pag open ko, nagbukas yung aircon. And it has a stronger and quicker cooling because of the top discharge.
Yep.
Guys, naka-inverter aircon ka pa. So you're not just actually buying or investing in aircon, but you're also investing on the longer part, sabi nga ni Sir Gani kanina. And imagine na lang kayo ang makakakuha ng air conditioner reinvention in the Philippines. Frances,
Yeah, I'm so
budol na ba?
excited to know the discounts. Actually, mamaya pagkatapos ito, I'm gonna go to the website. Check ko na kasi malay mo, worth the upgrade na parang medyo nabubudol na ako at this part.
Alright, so starting today, the introductory price natin, and you will go, and we'll be giving you away good discounts. Pati ako na-excite for you guys eh. Kasi alam ko, you will surely invest on a good product of MyDia. And sir, sabi nga natin, we actually go for authorized service centers only na partners natin, pati
That's right.
sellers natin. At may good, advice coming for Sir Gani kung paano nila bibilhin yung aircons natin. So, kung ayaw ng, let's say hindi maayaw, pero hindi pa kaya ang MyDia You, pwede pumunta ng window rack, di ba? Pwede rin naman, pwede rin portable aircon. Or, medyo may budget si Mayora, may split type daw siya, di ba? So with that, we would like you to... Nabubudol ka ulit. So,
Check ko muna yung MyDia You.
totoo
May
lang.
mukhang discount.
Frances, please invite again our kapitbahays with your Instagram and also your Facebook page.
Yeah, so to everyone watching, hello mga kapitbahays. If you're not yet part of our Facebook group, please join us. It's facebook.com/groups/homebodiesph. If part na kayo ng group, then let's all thank MyDia kasi etong parang bago nilang product sa atin nila unang shinare. And I'm so natutuwa ako kasi 'di ba parang sobrang tayo yung una nilang iniisip. So let's make the most of it if you can. If you're in the market of upgrading or buying a new aircon, do check out MyDia's website or yung Lazada page nila where you can score the new MyDia U for a month, diba? So do check that out. And super thank you Riva, Sir Gani, for all the tips. Sobrang helpful. I mean, yung vacuum talaga very napaisip ako dun.
Sige. So, Sir Gani, we're about to end this conversation, but of course, hindi namin kayo pababayaan. We'll be giving you 5 guide on what they need to remember when buying an aircon. Ayan, Sir Gani,
Okay.
para
Thank you.
matandaan nila ulit.
Alright, guys, here are my top guide to remember when buying an aircon. First, the capacity. Make sure to buy the right capacity for the size of the room and consider the openings, not just the size of the room. Always consider the room, the opening. Always consider the windows facing west, and also consider the insulation inside the ceiling. Okay, it doesn't matter if it's a little bit oversized rather than undersized.
So, oversized rather than an undersized.
That's right. And the second is when you buy an air conditioner, okay, it should be an energy efficient.
Okay.
So make sure to check the star rating of the unit. Nowadays, all the appliances has got star rating. Okay, the more the stars or the more stars, the more energy efficient the unit is.
Oh.
Okay, so the more stars, the more energy efficient the unit is. Okay, and the third is the type of air conditioners. Okay, there are 2 types of air conditioners, as I've said, the standalone and the split type. Choose whatever you think is suitable for your house. Okay, if you think you want to buy a split type air conditioner, okay, you should ask our accredited installer. Ask if it's the type of air conditioner that you want it's okay for you to put it on the wall. Otherwise, okay, ask them. If they said no, it's not applicable to put it on the wall, then you should ask advice. What is the best type of air conditioner that you need to put in your house?
Correct.
Okay, don't just go to the store and buy whatever you think you want
Or
without.
kasya sa budget, sir.
That's right, and without consulting our accredited installers and
Agree.
and also choose the latest technology air conditioners because they are made because of the energy because they are
Correct.
energy efficient.
Ayan na.
Okay, so
AC Technology, very good. So,
That's right.
MyDia U is a good choice for them.
that's right because MyDia inverter air conditioners are very energy efficient.
Correct, sir.
And what are those energy efficient? They are, of course, they are the inverter air conditioners. They are made for becoming an energy efficient.
Agree,
appliance.
sir, agree.
Okay, and it consumes less electricity as well
Yes.
due to its variable speed compressor, and also good for the environment.
And don't forget, guys, also consider, sir, after sales or service and warranty.
That's right.
So, sir,
Yes, with MyDia after sales team, I would probably, before you buy, make sure that the service is good for that particular brand, MyDia, and the warranty as well. Okay, with MyDia after sales team, we provide value and never disappoint our customers.
wow, grabe naman yun. We never disappoint our customers. Tapos, we have what we also tell them time to time, every time we do live, please do go to our only authorized service
That's
center
right.
partners
That's right.
because they are expert, trained by our aftermarket team. Actually, Sir Gani is one of our trainers also, that we make it sure that they are authorized, meaning may certificate kami in partnership with them. And for sure, hindi tayo magkakaroon ng fear of, nako baka hindi maayos ito or hindi magkakaroon ng, hindi sila expert. So, Mayora, did I help you with that?
This is a super good session, as in more than I could ask for kapitbahays, kasi Aircon 101 is really what's trending in the group, and that Sir Gani, an HVAC expert, was able to share all these tips when it comes to the size, what unit to buy, sa tipid tips, DIY cleaning tips. Parang it's a total masterclass on, what to buy. I mean, what aircon to buy if you're looking to upgrade or to buy a new one. So, super thank you to both of you, Riva and Sir Gani. As in, super salamat.
You got it right, Mayora. Sir Gani, thank you. I would like to thank you, of course, being with us. And of course, syempre, ang special co-host ko dito is Sir Gani Soria for sharing us a lot of good things about aircon. Sabi nga ni Mayora, hindi lang DIY, hindi lang on the energy consumption, pero more than what we ask for, as you mentioned. So please do not forget to like and share and follow us kasi may mga nilalabas kaming different hacks when it comes to aircon, how to use it, and yung idea you, of course, for our next episode, we'll be giving out different types of kapitbahay series naman because we'll be partnering with your Mayora on different types of Midea products naman po. So, with that, we would like to thank you, Sir Gani.
No problem.
And Frances, on your time. And we'll see you on the next episode of the Kapitbahay series. Bye! Stay safe,
Bye,
everyone!
guys.